What's up, guys? It's Brian with Waterscape. It is a hot day out here in July, out here in Saline, Michigan. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. Just wanted to show you a water feature that I came by to check out. It has been 7 years since we built this water feature and it's still looking very awesome. Check this out. This is a Pondless water feature we built using the medium Pondless kit. With this kit, you can create a water feature up to 16 feet long, going back into a underground reservoir where the pump's located and just circulates the water over and over again. This particular feature is about 12 feet long, and one of my favorite things about this is just the jagged, dark serpentine boulders that we use in this water feature, along with the Mexican pebbles. Just real dark features give the contrast to the Japanese maple back there and the creeping junipers growing in the river. Just such a cool vibe. Nice thing about these Pondless features is you can have them real up close to a patio, fire pit like this one. So the waterfalls are real close to you. You don't have to worry about a big pond at the bottom. It just literally is all right here. This is the whole basin for this entire thing. For more information, check out the rest of our videos. To make it easier, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell too, so you get a notification every time we post a video. You can check out our website, www.waterscape.biz. Thanks all for watching. Cheers.